I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see all devices signed into your Google account on an iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Download the Google app from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Launch that app and then sign in to your Google account. Step 2. Tap your profile icon on this screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Manage your Google account in this menu. Step 4. Tap Security in the list of options at the top of the menu on the next screen. Step 5. Scroll down this menu until you get to the Your Devices section and then tap Manage All Devices in this section. The Your Devices screen will be displayed where you'll see all of the devices that have been signed into your Google account in the last 28 days. You'll see the device name and the city and state where it was accessed. If you find a device that you want to sign out of, all you need to do is tap that device, tap Sign Out on the next screen, and then tap Sign Out again in the window that pops up. You'll be signed out of that specific device immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.